Good evening, everyone. It is September 12th, 2017. We're doing 2017 Leaf Best of Baseball, one box break number 5, random teams. All 30 teams are in. Can pull some really nice stuff out of this. This is the last box of the case. Hoping we can pull something on the sell sheet right here. That'd be pretty awesome. So good luck. Let's roll the dice. We have a 5 and a 6, so that's 11 times. 11 times on the list of names and the teams. Oh, hold on, guys. Alright, so 11 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 the final time. After 11 times, there's 11. Rolled an 11, right? Yep. Tim, you're at the top. Mike, you're at the bottom. Alright, so let's go 11 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. After 11 times, Twins are at the top. Arizona Diamondbacks are at the bottom. Alright, so Tim, you have the Twins. Logan with the Tigers. David with the Mets. Mario, you have the Nationals and Royals. Ryan, with the Dodgers. Joseph Johns with the Rangers. Jason Meyer with the Astros. Joseph Johns, Last Ball Mojo with the Pirates. Jason with the Yankees. Tim, you have the Rays, Cardinals, and Blue Jays. Logan with the Red Sox. Tim with the Orioles. Paul, you have the Oakland A's. Chris with the Mariners. Mike with the Brewers. David with the Padres. Tim, you have the Reds. Mario with the Marlins. Tim with the Angels. David, you have the White Sox. Mike Kuntz with the Indians. Tim, you have the Rockies, Cubs, and Phillies. Mike Kuntz with the Braves. Chris Vike with the Giants. And Mike Tower, you have the Arizona Diamondbacks. I'm not sure if there's going to be any trades, but I'll still give it about 30 seconds. Maybe anybody wants to put in a trade. So I'll give it some time. There is the list. Last box remaining, so we'll be doing this box number 3. Yeah, we could do some Leaf Trinity. I mean, that break, I don't think any spots have been sold yet, but, I mean, yeah, we can do that break. Starts off with 16 spots. Yeah, we're really going to have to rally on getting breaks close now because we've already done all the breaks that were close, sold out, so now we have to really rally on something. So after this break is over, we can all talk about it, see what break we want to move, and we can get it done, guys. Alright, well, no trading activity, so let's just close it. Alright, so this is the last box remaining, box 3, right here. This is going to be nice, guys. This stuff is really nice. 1 buyback card plus the 1 1991 Leaf Acetate throwback card per box. Here's the list once again. Good luck to everybody in the break. A very low risk, but a very, very high reward type of break here with Leaf Best of Baseball. Last Ball Mojo with the Pirates, Joseph. Alright, so this is the last box of the case, box 5, or break number 5, but box 3. So when we post up number 6, that'll be from a fresh case. So, guys, good luck. We have Ian Anderson right there, right-handed pitcher. What is that? Braves? Cleveland? Let me look that up really quick. Ryan Anderson. Or Ian Henderson, sorry. Unless you guys know, but just look it up just in case. What's up, Kyle? How's it going, man? Is he young? This is a young prospect. Who the hell is he? Oh, Atlanta Braves. Yes, he's in Atlanta Braves. He's only 19 years old. Man, that's a young prospect. Only 19 years old. I was going to say, this looks like a Braves uniform. So let's go to the Atlanta Braves and Mike Kuntz. Young prospect, only 19 years old. All right, guys. And the card is a PSA card. We have a 1965 Topps Astro Rookies. J. Morgan, S. Jackson. Joe Morgan, Sonny Jackson. 1965 PSA 6. Nice. Nice hit right there. So there you go. Houston Astros. Jason Meyer, sorry, with the Astros. There you go, Jason. Nice. That should be really nice, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of these cards I have not seen sell under 150. It's a really nice hit right there. Sweet. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Leaf Best of Baseball number 5. Number 6 will be in the store. Jaspy's Hobbyland $10 breaks. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.